Next, we're off to iHerb.com. That's the name of the company, iHerb.com, because it was built from the ground up as an internet-only company. Now, their deal is if you get your order in by 1 p.m. Pacific time, they'll ship that very same day. Let's see how they do it.
iHerb.com is an internet retailer offering vitamins, sports nutrition, supplements, healthcare products, anything for the wellness of the person to customers across the world. Anybody young, old, in shape, out of shape, anybody looking to better their performance, anybody to look to better their health, that's the kind of customer that we're looking for. We carry over 30,000 items of health, natural, organic products. Our goal is to provide a much broader product range that you can get going to your local store, ordered and delivered from you at the convenience of your home.
In order to make good on its promise for same-day shipment of any order received by 1 p.m. Pacific time, iHerb enlisted the help of the warehouse logistics engineering firm Dematic. The design and implementation of the material handling equipment had to be pretty sophisticated to handle iHerb's brand of e-commerce.
As a .com distributor, we have an awful lot of different requirements than what normally you would see in distribution. Our biggest challenge is that while we receive product in by the case, we have to turn it around and package it and put it into small boxes so that it can survive the transit to your house. So from that perspective, it's a lot more challenging than traditional distribution.
A typical internet order is comprised of 1 to 10 items. As the orders flow in, warehouse management system software organizes them into batches and determines how much of each type of product will be needed to fill all the orders in the batch. So if 20 customers order aloe vera gel, the software will tell workers to pull 20 containers of the gel from storage in one batch, rather than having to do it in 20 trips. We'll show you in a sec how they parcel it out among individual customers. iHerb uses a computerized voice recognition system to communicate with workers on the DC floor.
Put one. One. Bravo. Put one.
The computer talks to you through your headset, and you talk back. Politely, of course. The computer will tell you where to go in the shelving system to pick the necessary products and how many to pick for each batch. Then, you tell the computer you've pulled the items. This technology is fast and accurate and leaves your hands free to work. What a concept. As each batch is picked, it goes into these plastic totes and down a conveyor to get broken down into the individual orders. That happens in work cells called put stations. Here you can see rows of bins, one per order. Big bins for big orders, small bins for small orders. To begin, a worker removes an item and scans it. Then a light flashes below the bin that represents the order that that item belongs to. You place the item in the bin, then push the button next to the light to tell the computer you did what it wanted you to do. You keep going until all the products from the batch have been assigned to the order bins. This technology is called put to light because, well, you put the product where the light tells you to. We were told that the computer thanks you at the end of the day and gives you a kiss on the cheek, but we were unable to confirm this. When all the items for an order are in one bin, another light indicates the order is ready to be packed. That's when this worker takes over. She carefully wraps each product according to its type and the mode by which it'll be shipped. Wrapping each product like this obviously uses a lot of packaging.
We at iHerb.com take our role on the planet very seriously. In the past, we used air-wrapped bubble, recycled, to protect our glass products. Now, we're switching to a 100% compostable protective clamshell to get our products safely to you.
The wrapped items go into a carton and then by a conveyor to another workstation for final packing and sealing. Last stop, the sliding shoe sorter. The computer knows where each box is going and which shipping lane it has to go in. At the right spot in the line, it orders the sliding shoe sorter to sweep across the conveyor and gently nudge the carton down the appropriate lane. When we think about e-commerce, we tend to focus on the E, the speed, convenience, and, well, magic of ordering stuff online. But when it comes to moving the stuff from a warehouse to your house, it takes a sophisticated warehouse management system to make it all happen.
Customer service, not to overuse the phrase, is our number one focus. The pick-to-voice allows us essentially 100% accuracy in what we pick. Whatever goes in that box is exactly what that customer ordered. the way we've got our packing system conveyed and laid out, everything that goes in is packed professionally, packed very well, and all of this automation just feeds exactly what we need to be able to get the customer what they need in terms of their product on time, in terms of it being clean, accurate, and in one piece, essentially.